I'm going to go through word rhythm for crotchets and quavers. Crotchet gets 1 beat and a quaver gets half a beat. So a pair of quavers gets half a beat each. So we use the word pair for the crotchet, pair, 1 beat. And then the 2 quavers are played in the same time as that 1 beat, so they're shorter. So they get 1 word, but we use each syllable of the word apple. Pear, apple. Pear, apple. So if we want to put that into a Suzuki piece, we can start at page 28 with Song of the Wind, and it has all quavers on the first line apart from 1 crotchet at the very end. So we will just be going apple, 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 pear. So let's do that again. Apple, 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 pear. We can move on to Go Tell Aunt Rhody. That's page 29 of the Suzuki book. As you can see from the first line of Go Tell Aunt Rhody, we have crotchet, 2 quavers, 2 more crotchets. So that would go pear, apple, pear, 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 apple, pear, pear, apple, pear, pear, apple, apple, pear. So that last note is something different. That's a minim, which has 2 beats. So we can really hold pair for 2 beats, so make it a longer pair. O Come Little Children, which is page 29 of the Suzuki book, we have something different in O Come Little Children. We have an upbeat, which is a quaver beat that begins the piece, and then we go into a crotchet and 2 quavers. The very first note of the piece, that upbeat that we speak about, the 1 quaver on its own, we can just say oh, to make it easy for ourselves. And we go back into the word rhythm again with oh, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear. So just remember that that O is a little short note. It's your first up bow. Oh, pear. And again, oh, pear. The next rhythm that we're going to speak about is in May Song. The dotted crotchet gets 1.5 beats, followed by the quaver that gets half a beat. In word rhythm, to make that easy, pineapple is what we use for that long, short, long, long, which is the dotted crotchet followed by the quaver followed by 2 crotchets. The 2 crotchets have 1 beat each. We will use pineapple popcorn to do that bar. So let's try that once more. Pineapple popcorn. Now if you're finding it difficult to get the claps on pineapple, just sing it to yourself. La, 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 la. So that's long, short, long, long. It could be easier to just clap it like that rather than trying to say pineapple popcorn, but pineapple popcorn can work for some people. So let's try that once more. Pineapple popcorn. So just remember it's pineapple. Do it again. Pineapple. Long, short. Pineapple popcorn.